Welcome back to Wanderway. Today, we're taking you to one of Toronto's most unique and eco-friendly destinations, Evergreen Brick Works. This former brick factory has transformed into a vibrant environmental community hub, nestled in the heart of Toronto's Don Valley. Let's dive into the history, nature, and activities that make this place a must-see for both locals and visitors. The history of Evergreen Brick Works. Evergreen Brick Works has a fascinating history that dates back to the late 1800s when it was a major brick manufacturing site. The bricks produced here helped build many of Toronto's most iconic structures. However, the site was abandoned for decades before being revitalized in 2010 by Evergreen, a non-profit organization focused on sustainability and community engagement. Today, this space blends its industrial past with green, modern initiatives to inspire sustainable urban living. Nature and outdoor activities. One of the highlights of Evergreen Brick Works is its stunning natural surroundings. The area is home to walking and biking trails that take you through wetlands, wildflower meadows, and forests. The Don Valley Trail system connects directly to Brickworks, making it a perfect spot for outdoor enthusiasts. You can enjoy scenic hikes or bike rides, all while being just minutes from downtown Toronto. If you're a nature lover, this is a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Farmers market and local food. Evergreen Brick Works is also famous for its year-round farmers market, one of the largest in Toronto. Every weekend, local farmers and artisans gather here to sell fresh produce, homemade goods, and eco-friendly products. It's not just a market, it's a celebration of sustainable living. Whether you're grabbing fresh veggies or enjoying some delicious street food, this market is the perfect place to experience Toronto's local flavors. Art and culture at Evergreen Brick Works. In addition to nature and food, Evergreen Brick Works is a hub for art and culture. The industrial setting is now used for art installations, workshops, and community events that focus on environmental awareness and sustainable living. The graffiti-covered walls and creative art spaces give it a raw yet inspiring atmosphere. It's a place where creativity and nature come together, making it a cultural hotspot for eco-conscious Torontonians. Sustainability and green living. What makes Evergreen Brick Works truly unique is its commitment to sustainability. The entire space is designed to be eco-friendly, from the rainwater harvesting systems to the energy-efficient buildings. It's not just a place to visit, it's a living example of how cities can integrate green spaces and sustainable practices into urban living. There are also educational programs, workshops, and events that focus on everything from urban gardening to sustainable architecture. Family-friendly fun and events. Evergreen Brick Works is a great destination for families as well. Throughout the year, it hosts a variety of events, including outdoor movie nights, festivals, and interactive workshops for kids. From eco-friendly crafts to nature walks, there's something for everyone. It's a great way to get the whole family involved in learning about sustainability while having fun. That's a wrap on our tour of Evergreen Brick Works, an inspiring blend of history, nature, and sustainability right in the heart of Toronto. If you're looking for a place to reconnect with nature, enjoy local food, or simply explore a hidden gem in the city, this is the spot for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Wanderway for more hidden spots and travel tips. Let us know in the comments if you've ever been to Evergreen Brick Works or if it's on your list to visit. Thanks for watching, and well, see you on our next adventure.